everybody, welcome to Katsurimbu. Today we are going to say top 3 happiest countries in the world. So let's go on to the video. Number 3, Switzerland.
As the third happiest country in the world, Switzerland scored a total of 7.571 out of 10. In general, the Swiss are very healthy, with one of the world's lowest obesity rates and a long life expectancy. The Swiss also have a very high median salary, about 75% higher than that of the United States, and the highest GDP per capita. Additionally, there is a strong sense of community in Switzerland and a firm belief that it is a safe and clean country, which is statistically true. Along with Iceland and Denmark, Switzerland is one of the world's safest countries.
Number 2, Denmark.
The second happiest country in the world is Denmark, which scores 7.620. Denmark's values for each of the 6 variables are quite comparable to those of Finland. In fact, Denmark even outscored the leader in multiple categories, including GDP per capita, generosity, and perceived lack of corruption, demonstrating that it may claim the top spot sometime in the near future.
Number 1, Finland.
Finland ranks as the world's happiest country based on the 2021 report with a score of 7.842 out of a total possible score of 10. The report writers credited the citizens of Finland's strong feelings of communal support and mutual trust with not only helping secure the number 1 ranking, but more importantly, helping the country as a whole navigate the COVID-19 pandemic. Additionally, Finlanders felt strongly that they were free to make their own choices and showed minimal suspicion of government corruption. Both of these factors are strong contributors to overall happiness.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, it's me signing off.